Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI and I want to tell you about this ZIKEE pill organizer case. Now, my favorite thing about this case is that it has a different case for each day of the week. And once you take one out, it has a slot for the morning, for noon, and one for night. So that is super convenient if you have to take vitamins or supplements at different times of the day. It keeps you well organized. I also like that if you're going out just for one day, you don't have to take the whole case with you. You can simply just take one of these containers out and it's very easy to put in your pocket and get going. The case is very sturdy. It's a very nice thick material. So even if you drop it, you know that nothing will happen to the container inside. So if you're looking to get a little more organized with whatever pills or supplements you're taking, I really recommend this organizing case, and that is my point of view.